Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of logging into TaxAct for easy tax filing access. Whether you are using a computer or a mobile device, getting started with TaxAct is simple and user-friendly. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open your web browser. Begin by opening your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth experience. Step 2. Visit the TaxAct website in the address bar. Type in the official TaxAct website URL, www.taxact.com. Hit Enter to navigate to the site. Step 3. Locate the Sign-In button. Once the TaxAct homepage loads, look for the Sign-In button. This is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Step 4. Enter your credentials. On the login page, you will see fields to enter your email address and password. Make sure to enter the email address associated with your TaxAct account and the correct password. Double check for any typos. Step 5. Click on Sign In. After entering your details, click the Sign In button to access your TaxAct account. If you've entered the correct information, you will be taken to your dashboard. Step 6. Troubleshoot. Login issues, if needed. If you encounter any issues logging in, look for the Forgot Password link below the password field. Clicking this will guide you through the process of resetting your password, allowing you to regain access to your account. Step 7. Explore TaxAct features. Once logged in, take a moment to explore the features available to you, such as filing your taxes, tracking your refund status, and accessing helpful resources for tax preparation. Thank you for following along. If you found this guide helpful, please remember to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Your support helps us continue to create valuable content for you.